Are titanium locking wheel bolts worth it?
Titanium wheel bolts are widely used in car upgrades. They're considered one of the easiest and quickest items that brings your car to higher performance. Reducing unsprung weight makes your car faster. Lightening the vehicle weight decreases fuel consumption and improves engine efficiency. Besides, titanium wheel bolts have the benefits of low density, as well as high temperature resistance. The forged titanium material has an extraordinary corrosion resistance. The titanium alloys are light in weight as well as very strong. They feature great fatigue strength and tensile strength, hard and high temperature resistance. BONOSS titanium wheel bolts are made with unique heptagon-shaped heads, which keep the outside of the wheel bolts locking good and add a superior layer of security to your wheels. Titanium wheel bolts will also make your vehicle look nicer. They come in various styles with 2 different color choices: titanium orange color and nitrogen blue. Different color matches your wheels and bring different styles.
That's today's video. If you want to get its BONOSS with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.